Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're going to demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 where the engine starter relay is located, guys. So we're going to open, you actually have two fuse boxes, but we'll need just one of them that's located right under the hood on your Ford F-150. And if we zoom in a little bit, and if you guys pay attention, right behind the 12-volt battery, you have a fuse box here. You open that cover here of your fuse box and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one, that being the front of your F-150, guys, and this is towards the windshield side, guys. So let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you can see here you have different relays, fuses, okay, that could be really hard to find, overpriced or really expensive. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spares from, that way you don't waste your money, guys. Right here in that relay panel right here, we need to find the relay for the engine starter. Is in that right row here, the one on the very bottom. That's the relay for the engine starter that you need to check specifically. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.